Good morning, sir. My name is Lamir Perez, and I'm with my group mates Sharon Aksa.
Good morning, sir. My name is Sharon A. Aksa.
And Crystal Jason Brazos.
Good morning, sir. My name is Crystal Jason Arbras.
For today, we will be talking about the muscle tissues of the human body. Muscle is one of the 4 primary tissue types of the body. Muscle cells are specialized for contraction. Muscles also for motion such as walking and facilitates bodily processes such as respiration and digestion. Properties of muscle tissues. All muscle cells share several properties such as contractility, excitability, extensibility, and elasticity. Number 1 is contractility. Contractility is the ability of muscle cells to forcefully shorten. Contractility allows muscle tissue to pull on its attachment points and shorten the force. Take note that muscle can pull but never push. Number 2, excitability. Excitability is the ability to respond to stimulus, which may be delivered from a motor neuron or a hormone. Number 3, extensibility. Extensibility is the ability to be stretched or to be extended. Number 4, elasticity. Elasticity is the ability of a muscle to return on its original length when relaxed.
I will be discussing the groups of muscles. So the groups of muscles, there are 5 major muscle groups. It includes shoulder back muscles, chest and arm muscles, abdominal muscles, leg muscles, and calves muscles. Number 1 is the shoulder and back muscles. So the back and shoulders can be a great pairing due to them having a little bit of overlap in the muscles used. So if you move your shoulder, the back will move too. So example kay stretching, stretching. Number 2 is the chest and arm muscles. So if you want to get stronger, bigger, and muscular upper body, you need to include chest and arm workout. Example kay dumbbell kay bugat. Yan. So mo-effect ang imong muscles here. Number 3 is the abdominal muscles. So abdominal muscles located between the ribs and the pelvis on the front of the body. Examples, reverse crunch. Number 4 is the leg muscles. So leg muscles is the basic body movement. Example, kay squat. Yeah. Split squat, step up, and many more. Isa ka nang kuanay. Apil dyan na siya sa kanang musa ka kagandanan. Number 5 is calves muscles. So if we sit too much, after that we will get leg cramps. The tired muscles and nerve problems. So to remove the cramps in our legs, just stretch and cramps muscles. Stretch the cramp muscles and rub gently.
So there are 2 types muscle fibers. First, slow twitch or type 1. Second, fast twitch or type 2. In fast twitch or type 2, muscle fibers are built for short or powerful bursts of energy. What characterizes fast twitch muscle fibers? On the flip, fast twitch fibers have a high power output and tire quickly. Why do muscles twitch fast? Muscle twitch fast can happen for lots of reasons like stress, too much caffeine, a poor diet, exercise, or a side effect of some medicine.
Rule of muscle. Muscle tissue is composed of cells that have the special ability to shorten or contract in order to produce movement of the body parts. Muscles have a range of function, from pumping blood and supporting movement to lifting heavy weights or giving birth. Muscle work by either contraction or relaxing to cause movement. The movement may be voluntary, meaning the movement is made consciously, or conscious awareness are done without our involuntary.
The next topic that I will discuss is origin versus insertion. So, origin is the attachment site that doesn't move during contraction. Example, the place is a bone that remains immobile for an action. While insertion is the attachment site that does move when the muscle contracts. Example, the place is on the bone that moves during the action.
So let's move on to the different types of muscle. There are three main types of muscle include skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and last cardiac muscle. When we say skeletal muscle, that's the specialized tissue that is attached to the bones and allows movement. Together, skeletal muscles and bones are called the musculoskeletal system, also known as locomotor system. Skeletal muscle is grouped into opposing pairs such as biceps and triceps. On the front, back of the upper arm, skeletal muscles are under our conscious control, which is why they are also known as voluntary muscle. Second, smooth muscle. When we say smooth muscle, it's located in various internal structures including the digestive tract, uterus, and the blood vessels such as arteries. Smooth muscle is arranged in layered sheets that contract in waves along the length of structure.
So let's move on to the last part, the pyramid activity guide. The bottom level or the level 1, lifestyle physical activity. The bottom level is the physical activity pyramid, contains simple exercises and moderate physical activity that are likely already part of your daily life but are critically important to maintain on a regular basis. There are 5 examples of the bottom level. Number 1 is the walking on the mall. Number 2 is mowing the lawn. Number 3 is raking the leaves. Number 4 is mopping on the floor. And number 5 is going on a leisurely walk. Middle 2. Level 2 is middle level. Level 2 is active aerobics. Level 3 is active sports and recreation. The next two levels of physical pyramid activity consist of more strenuous exercises such as aerobics, stretching for flexibility, and muscle tissues exercises. Example: biking, hiking, dance sessions, jogging, and playing sports. Above of this workout, on level 3, lie on the activities you should spend 2 or 3 days per week on, such as higher intensity workouts, weight training, or calisthenics. Lastly, the top of the physical activity pyramid, level 4, inactivity. The top of the physical activity pyramid depicts sedentary behaviors that needs curbing, such as watching televisions or sitting at a desk. In exist, these types of behavior have been linked to adverse health outcomes. The goal here is to recognize those behaviors and replace them with physical health activities that are found at the base of the pyramid. And that's all, sir.